Welcome again in English literature class, my dear students. Going to start Act 5, Scene 1. The speech of Miranda, line number 193. Miranda's speech. Yes, for a score of kingdoms you should wrangle, and I would call it fair play. Miranda says, yes, if 20 kingdoms were at stake, you would argue with me. But out of love for you, I would say what you did was right. But out of love for you, I would say what you did was right. Alonso says, if this prove a vision of the island, one dear son shall I twice lose. If what I am seeing were to prove another illusion in this island, then I would lose my dear son twice. If this is because due to magic, Alonso thinks that each and everything is illusion. So, though Ferdinand was alive, but he did not believe it. So he says, then I would lose my dear son twice. Sebastian says, a most high miracle. Sebastian himself did not believe it. What we see is great miracle. Ferdinand says, though the seas threaten, they are merciful. I have cursed them without cause. Though the seas seem threatening, they are merciful to me. I cursed them earlier without any reason. He was lucky. He thinks that he is lucky that the sea threatened him, and what happened was not bad luck. Now he thinks that is very good fortune what had happened. They are merciful to me. Though the seas seem threatening, they are merciful to me. I cursed them earlier without any reason. I should not do like so. Needs to Alonso. Alonso says, now all the blessings of a glad father compass the about. Arise and say how thou camest here. Alonso says, now may all the blessings of a happy father embrace you from all sides. Arise, don't kneel down. Arise and tell us how you reached here. Miranda says, oh wonder, how many goodly creatures are there here. How beauteous mankind is. Oh brave new world that has such people in it. Miranda has not seen so many people before this. Only she knew her father. Now she sees so many people, king and so many lords. So she is very amazed. What a wonderful sight, she says. What a wonderful sight. How many attractive people are here. How beautiful mankind is. Mankind, how beautiful mankind is. Oh, how beautiful and new this world looks. This world looks very beautiful, very nice, which has so many people in it. She is very glad. Prospero says, that is new to thee. This is new to you. This is new to you. Alonso says, what is this maid with whom thou was at play? Your eldest acquaintance cannot be 3 hours. Is she the goddess that hath served us and brought us thus together? Alonso says, who is this young lady with whom you were playing? As you know, he was playing chess with Miranda. Who is this young lady with whom you were playing? You could not have known her for more than 3 years. All the incident had happened for only 3 years. Is she the goddess who first separated us and has now brought us together? Ferdinand says, Sir, she is mortal. She is not a deity. She is not a goddess. Sir, she is mortal, but by my immortal providence, she is mine. Sir, she is a human being who was given to me by God. God has given to me. She is mine. I chose her when I could not ask my father for his advice, not thought I had won. I chose her as my future wife when I could not get my father's consent. I chose her, my future wife, when I could not get my father's consent. She is daughter to this famous Duke of Milan, of whom she often I have heard renowned, but never saw before, of whom I have received a second life, and second father this lady makes him to me. She is the daughter of this famous Duke of Milan, of whose fame I had heard so often, but whom I had never seen before. He is talking about Prospero. He gave me a second life, and who has become a second father to me, as his daughter has agreed to marry me. Alonso says, I am hers, but oh, how oddly will it sound that I must ask my child forgiveness. And I will be, Alonso says, and I will be her father too. Only Prospero is not her father. I am also her father. But oh, how strange it is that I have to ask forgiveness from my son. I want excuse, I want forgiveness from you, my son. Prospero says, there, sir, stop. Let us not burden our remembrance with a heaviness that's gone. Sir, stop talking in this way. Let us not remember the sad incidents of the past. Forget it. Gonzalo says, I have inly wept, or should I have spoken this? Look down, your gods, and on this couple drop a blessed crown, for it is you that have chalked for the way which brought us hither. I have wept within my heart. Gonzalo says, I have wept within my heart, or I would have spoken. Means disclosed earlier. Oh, you gods, look down upon this couple and bless them, because it is you who made the path which brought us here. Oh God. Oh, you gods, like, look down upon this couple and bless them, because it is you, he says to God, who made the path which brought us here. Alonso says, I say amen, Gonzalo. Gonzalo, I say amen. And what is the speech of Gonzalo, you will study in my next video. Thank you, students. Thank you so much.